In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy from one design to another in Canva. Whether you are moving a single icon or several full pages, this workflow is quick. Once you know where to click and which shortcuts to use, let's start with copying individual elements. Open the design that has the element you want to reuse. Click directly on that item so you see the selection box appear around it. Now copy it using Ctrl+C on Windows or Ctrl+C on a Mac. Switch over to your destination design and paste with Ctrl+V or Ctrl+V. The element will appear on the canvas, usually centered. From there, you can drag it into place, resize it using the corner handles or align it with guides. This method keeps the styling intact, colors, effects, and fonts, so it looks the same as in your original design. If a font isn't available in the new design, Canva may suggest a replacement. You can adjust it after pasting. If you need to move several elements at once, you have two easy selection options. You can click and drag to draw a box around everything you want to copy, or hold Shift while clicking each item one by one until they're all selected. Once they're highlighted together, copy with the same keyboard shortcut, then paste into your destination design. This keeps their relative positions, so the layout arrives as a group. If you are working across designs with different sizes, say, from a square post to a presentation slide, you may need to scale the group after pasting to fit the new dimensions. Now let's cover copying entire pages between designs. In your source design, go down to the bottom and click the grid view icon, which looks like the page count. This shows all your pages at a glance. Click a page thumbnail to select it. If you want multiple pages, hold Shift and click additional thumbnails or drag across them to select a range. Copy with Ctrl+C or Ctrl+V. Then open the destination design, switch to grid view there as well. Click where you want the new content to appear between pages or at the end and paste with Ctrl+V or Ctrl+V. The pages will drop right into the spot you selected, keeping their layouts and elements intact. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.